Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select a group class on the PunchLab application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the workouts icon down below, which is the second option. After that, you should scroll down till you find the group classes section. And here, if you swipe to the right side of the screen, you are going to see all the group classes that are available to you. These are level medium, so tap on the relevant one that you are interested in. Unfortunately, this class is already over, as you can see in the middle, but you can get to know to your coach, the description of the workout session, workout information, the tools, rounds, and the exercises as well. If you tap on this three dots icon, you can see what does a particular exercise means and how you can do it properly. So these are explained in a few short clips, as you can see. So basically that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.